Jasmine. I have a really exciting package to share with you guys today from Viking bags. It's super heavy. I'm gonna open it and share with you guys what the saddlebags look like. I'm so excited because I've been wanting saddlebags for my Kawasaki Vulcan S 650 motorcycle for a while, because in the beginning of this year I've been saying that I want to take longer trips with my motorcycle, so this is gonna be perfect. Hey, let's see it. Look how big they are. Let me get the wrapping off. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. They look so good. And it also has a lockable feature here. It comes with a key, so you can lock it when you step away from your motorcycle and stuff. I really like that. Here's the other side. I love how they look. They're so sexy and sleek. And I can't wait to show you guys how they look on my bike, so stay tuned. Thank you again to Viking Bags for sending me these saddlebags. I can't wait to show you guys how they look next.